Hey, what's up? Coach Aaron here with Super Vegans. And for you to become a super vegan, I know that we've been discussing a lot about our nutrition and how to meal prep. But for you to become a super vegan, there's three things that you need to conquer. Mindset, which is the most important part of these elements, and training, the way we work out, how we work out, as well as our plant-based nutrition. Today, we're gonna discuss training. I'm just gonna walk you guys through. You're gonna follow me through one of my workouts. The way I train my clients, I'm always doing a split, right? So when I say split, I'm either doing legs and shoulders, and then the next day we'll do chest and triceps, and then back and biceps. So I'm always splitting the workouts. And today, we're gonna go with back and biceps. So follow me through this workout. Let's get through it and let's kill it. All right, guys, now I'm about to bust out some hammer curls. So hammer curls, just straight up, all right? So 10 reps. Whew. There we go. All right, so like I said, today is back and biceps day. Now we're gonna go lat pull downs, 10 reps on the lat pull downs. All right, let's do this. All right, guys, so now we're gonna go into seated rows. And this might look different because I'm at like a smaller boutique gym. So it's not your average 24-hour fitness, LA Fitness, or big corporate gym, but everything here you can find at your gym. So this bar right here, this is one of my favorite bars for seated rows, lat pull downs, but you can also find a bar like this at your gym. You could do single arm rows. You can bring the lat pull down bar down for seated rows. So let's do this, 10 reps, okay? That was no joke. All right, now we're gonna bust out some concentration curls. So we're gonna go 10 reps on these. Let's get it. Here we go. For these concentration curls, slower reps, squeeze the bicep at the top. Perfect. That way, when you're squeezing at the top, you feel the burn. It's a good workout. It takes you a little bit longer, but we're putting that focus on the bicep. So 10 reps. Dumbbell rows. Okay, so we are going to go dumbbell rows. build out the lats. So one thing about dumbbell rows I wanna go over with you is when you're pulling the weight, you don't wanna pull it straight up like this, okay? It looks like you're doing a bicep curl when you pull up like this. So you wanna get the weight, start it here, kind of pull back. That way when I pull back like that, I feel my lats. Instead of pulling straight up, I don't feel. So let's bust out 10 reps here. There it is. So now I feel that back here, right? So if you're just coming up, rowing like that, you know, because you think that that's, you know, you see that workout and people are just rowing real quick, you want to go a little bit slower. You want to pull the weight back and you want to squeeze back here. You want to feel that. You want to feel your muscles when you're working out. All right? Dumbbell rows, 10 reps. Now we're gonna get into incline dumbbell curls. Again, on this workout, we wanna make sure that we're squeezing the bicep. Come up, squeeze the bicep, all right? Feel those biceps. All right, here we go, 10 reps. There it is. So once again, squeeze the bicep, all right? Feel the muscle. All right, there you go, 10 reps. Okay, so barbell bicep curls. I'm using a regular barbell with weight on the side. I know at regular gyms, they'll have the smaller barbells or curl bars, so you can use those as well. You don't have to use a barbell like this and put weight on. You could use the ones at the gym that it's already set up for you for bicep curls, all right? So 10 reps here. Squeeze that bicep. There we go, 10 reps. So one thing you're gonna notice is when you're doing workouts in like the rows, the lat pull downs, the curls, and you're squeezing the muscle, you're gonna feel that more. You're gonna feel your body, you're gonna feel more exhausted during the workout. So going slower, squeezing those muscles, you're gonna feel the workout more, all right? All right, so we're gonna end this workout. Pull-ups, one of my favorite exercises to do. I try to incorporate 50 pull-ups a day, as well as about anywhere between 200 to 300 push-ups a day. I know that sounds outrageous, but I've had clients who couldn't do one push-up, one pull-up, and now I have them doing it every day. If you do something daily, you're going to get better. So if you can't do one push-up, try to do it daily, and you'll see yourself being able to do 20, 30, 40, 50 push-ups. I've got clients who are now doing 300 push-ups a day and killing it. And they're so excited because they're like, I couldn't even do one push-up before. So pull-ups. Now, if you can't do a pull-up, there's always resistance bands that you can just tie to the bar, pull through, and then you can put your knee in like this to help you with resistance. But then at regular gyms, there's also pull-up bars that already have the weight where you put your knees on and you just pull up. So you can use those because that will help you get stronger, okay? So pull-ups, we're gonna bust out 10 reps on this, all right? Let's do it. Chin over the bar. There we go. So, 10 pull-ups. I'm gassed out right now. That was a good workout. All right. All right, guys, so that's the workout that I wanted to share with you today. If you notice, I'm a little gassed out, but it's a great workout. And one thing that I always try to coach on is feeling the muscles when you work out, right? So if you're just going through a workout and you really don't feel anything, yeah, you're burning calories, but I want you to really feel your muscles, okay? If you're doing bicep curls, squeeze the bicep. If you're doing lat pull downs, squeeze the lats when you pull that muscle, when you pull the weight down, all right? So that was an intense workout. I want you guys to incorporate this, and always remember, if you want to become a super vegan, there are 3 things that you need to conquer. Mindset, the most important element, okay? Your training, we just went over a workout right now, and your plant-based nutrition. Those 3 elements will turn you into a super vegan. And if you need help with nutrition, I released a free video series that I want you to download. This video series comes with a mindset checklist. It comes with a 30-day fat loss vegan nutrition guide, as well as home workouts. This will get you started. So it's supervegans.net/free video. All right? Always thank you for joining me in our YouTube video channel. Appreciate you guys. Love you.
Hey guys, how you doing? Thank you for watching today's video. I truly appreciate it. If you liked what you saw today, if you liked the video, click that like button because that really helps us out. And if you want more content like you saw today, hit that subscribe button because that also helps us out. And don't forget to hit that bell. Leave a comment to let us know what you want to see in the future, okay? Because we're here for you, all right? So thank you again for watching. Peace.